new student. Our question is, read the following passage carefully and answer the question that follow. Here a passage is given from Village by the Sea and it is written by Anita Desai. A little later, when he went to pump to wash, he saw the school children pouring by their satchels across their shoulders. When the hero of the story went to wash, he saw school children carrying their school bags on their shoulder. They all were in grey shorts and skirts and light blue shorts or blouses. The school of the student were grey shorts of skirts and light blue shirts or blouses. They all were mended and the students' hair were oiled and combed very flat. Some went by in laughing, racing groups, others and had to be led by their mothers or grandparents to the school building. Some of them were going laughing, racing, and some of their parents, they dropped the students to the school. This reminded him of his sister in the village. Seeing all these things, he reminded his sister. The boys in the kitchen now looked at him with less hostility. Jaggu seemed pleased with Harry too, and sometimes handed him a glass of tea in the middle of the day. He gives a glass of tea in the middle of the day. When he had a few moments to spare, Jaggu sat down at one of the long wooden tables, strummed loudly on it and sang a song in a dialect Harry did not know. Whenever he got some spare time, some free time, he sat on a wooden table and bench and song. That is not clearly understandable. That is not clearly got by Harry. When he caught Harry listening and smiling, he smiled back. Then Harry, that too he had to village somewhere that he called home. It was just that he was a silent, hard-working, worried man and had no time and no gift for speech. All this time of working shows that he don't have much free time. He is not talkative. He remains silent. He is hard working in nature. It was the watchmender, Mr. Panwala, who was truly a benefactor, the kindest and the most helpful of all. One afternoon during those hot, still hours when there were no customers, the Panwala was a watchmender who is very kind and helpful to all. One afternoon during those hot and still hours when there were no customers for change, Hari was standing in front of the eating house, idly watching the traffic because he was too tired to do anything. Hari was just standing. He was very tired. Panwala called to him. He came to sit beside him on the bench behind the counter on his shop. Want to help? He asked. Want to learn how to make a clock tick? He said that you want to learn how to make a clock. I am just going to open this big grandfather clock sent to me for the repair. This clock is sent for repairing to me. I am going to repair it. Will you learn something from? You will be able to see the working plane. Don't often get a piece like this anymore. Wall clock, yes, the electronic gadgets, but you don't often come upon a grandfather clock like this. It is a real piece of luck. Being able to show you one of this size, look, he said, swinging open the door at the back and revealing the machinery to a fascinated Hari, who felt as if the door had opened into a new and strange house. Mr. Panwala showed Hari what was wrong with it, what made up it stop. Interesting, Isn't it? How would you like to learn? Tell you what, I will take you on as an apprentice. You don't have much to do between 2 and 4, do you? Of course, you will have to ask Jagu first. I can pay you a little, not much, and you can help me for 2 hours a day. Perhaps I can make a watch mender of you. He offered Jagu to make him a watch mender. He offered that he will teach him how to repair watches. Here, this question, for each word given below, choose the correct meaning as used in the passage from the option provided. Satchels. So the satchels means school bags. Okay. Spare. Spare means extra. Which word in the passage is opposite of closed? So the simple opposite close, opened. Opposite of close is open. Answer the following question briefly in your own words. Here some questions are given. You have to answer. First one is, how were the school children dressed? The school children were dressed in grey shorts or skirts and light blue shirts or blouses. They all had their hair oiled. उनके बाल oiled थे and combed down very flat. Next question is, in what way was Jagu kind to Hari? Jagu was kind to Hari by offering him a job and a place to stay in Mumbai. He occasionally gave tea to him. He introduced Jagu to Panwala, who mentors Hari in trade. Jagu also shows kindness by allowing Harry to send money home to his family. Next question is, what did the song tell Harry about Jagu? Next question is, what did the song tell Harry about Jagu? The song sung by Jagu revealed to Harry that he is quiet and hardworking nature. He also had a home and a village he belonged to, just like Harry. Next question is, which sentence in the passage tells us that Jagu was not a talkative man? The sentence that tells Jagu was not a talkative man is, Jagu was a man of few words or had no time and no gift for speech. Next question, why were there no customers at that time of the day? There were no customers at that time of the day because it was early morning when most people were still at their homes. In not more than 50 words, describe how Mr. Panwala introduced Harry to watch mending. Answer is, Mr. Panwala introduced Harry to the art of mending by demonstrating his skill and explaining the importance of repairing items or things. He emphasized the importance of craftsmanship and the satisfaction got from fixing the things.